Hi guys! Welcome to Learn Japanese with M. Today, I'm going to talk about verbs that are related to cooking. As always, I'm going to include memory tricks so that you can remember the vocabularies better. Let's get started. The first word is cut, kiru, kiru. The memory tricks to remember kiru as cut is the tomatoes were killed on the cutting board. The tomatoes were killed on the cutting board. Killed, kill, kiru, kiru, cut. A sentence using kiru is 包丁でトマトを切る。包丁でトマトを切る。We use knives to cut tomatoes. 切る, cut. The next one is mix, 混ぜる, 混ぜる. The memory tricks to remember 混ぜる as mix is I'm mixing ketchup and mayonnaise to make magic sauce. Magic sauce. Magic. 混ぜる, 混ぜる, 混ぜる. Mix. A sentence using 混ぜる mix is この女の子は具材を混ぜている。この女の子は具材を混ぜている。This girl is mixing the ingredients. この女の子は具材 is ingredients. 具材を混ぜている。混ぜる mix. 混ぜる mix. Number 3. Boil. 茹でる。茹でる。The mnemonics to remember 茹でる is You'd definitely lose weight if you only eat boiled food. You'd definitely lose weight if you only eat boiled food. You'd You'd definitely lose. You'd茹でる。茹でる. Boil. A sentence using 茹でる is 鍋で卵を茹でている。卵を茹でる。卵を茹でる。I am using a pot to boil the egg. I am using a pot to boil an egg. 茹でる。boil. 茹でる。boil. Next, let's look at stir fry. Stir fry. 炒める。炒める. The mnemonics to remember 炒める is Stir-fry bitter melon is a famous Okinawa cuisine. Stir-fry bitter melon is a famous Okinawa cuisine. Okinawa is a place in Japan, and bitter melon is this vegetable. Stir-fry bitter melon. Bitter melon. Ittermel. Ittermel. Can you see the highlighted part? It is ittermel. 炒める。炒める. Stir-fry. 炒める. A sentence using 炒める is The mom is making stir-fry. お母さんは野菜を炒めている。お母さんは野菜を炒めている。This mom is making stir-fried vegetables. 炒める。炒める. Stir-fry. Next, let's look at fry. Fry in Japanese is 揚げる。揚げる. The mnemonics to remember 揚げる as fry is double frying. To fry again is a secret to making delicious fried chicken. Double frying, which is to fry again, 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 揚げる, 揚げる. fry. A sentence using 揚げる is 油でチキンを揚げる。油でチキンを揚げる。We use oil to fry chicken. 油でチキンを揚げる。揚げる fry. 揚げる fry. Next, let's look at bake. Bake is 焼く。焼く。焼く。The mnemonics to remember 焼く is yak. The oven is so greasy after baking. Yak. The oven is so greasy after baking. Yak. 焼く。焼く。Bake. A sentence using 焼く will be オーブンで誕生日ケーキを焼いた。オーブンで誕生日ケーキを焼いた。I used the oven to bake a birthday cake. 焼く。焼く。Bake. Finally, let's look at how to say heating with microwave. The verb to mention heating with microwave is チンする。チンする。Chin is the sound of the microwave timer, so that is where this chin comes from. An example sentence will be レンジでチキンをチンする。レンジでチキンをチンする。That means using microwave to heat up the chicken. レンジでチキンをチンする。チンする means heating with the microwave. チンする. Or there's also another way, which is 温める。温める. This means heat up. Heat up. So, the example sentence will be レンジでチキンを温める。レンジでチキンを温める。チンする or 温める. Both are correct. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was interesting and useful for you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you soon!